So now we're going to talk about absolute value. We're going to define absolute value, and then we'll do some problems, simple problems, and we'll continue on. So what is absolute value? The absolute value of any real number is a positive number, positive number. Which equal to the distance between between the number and 0 on the real number line. Let's do some demonstration, a few examples. Okay, we're gonna choose yellow color. So this is, oops, let's say this is our can draw. Let's say this is our real number, right? So this is our 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, and this is our negative side, -1, -2, -3. Okay. So the distance, let's take 2, right? So this is 2 units, right? And what about -2? See, those are 2 units. What does it mean? It means that -2, absolute value of -2 equals to absolute value of 2, which equal, by definition, it's a positive number, equals 2, 2. And absolute value, we put those brackets, straight brackets, and this is how we know its absolute value. So we defined the absolute value. Now we're going to try and solve few problems. So absolute value is the distance between the number and 0 on the real number line. So how do we solve the equation? So to start, to solve the equation, we should perform all the operations inside absolute value brackets, those straight brackets, right? And then apply absolute value. Okay, let's do some examples. Example. Okay, so let's solve the equation. 6 minus 9 times negative 2 minus 7 plus 3. Okay, minus 14 plus 2 and divide by absolute value of 5 minus 11. So it equals, so our first step is to do this part. Okay, so 6 minus 9 is negative 3. Okay, second step, we're gonna do this expression inside these brackets, absolute value brackets, so negative 2 minus 7 plus 3 equals negative 2 minus 7 is negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6. Okay, next expression is this one, so it's negative 14 plus 2 equals to negative 12, and our fourth expression is this one. Five minus 11 equals to negative 6. Okay, so now we can replace those expressions with values that we calculated. So it's negative 3 times negative 6 minus absolute value of 12 divided by absolute value of negative 6. Okay, so what we have, so now we apply rules of absolute values. Right, so it's 3 times 6 minus 12 divided by 6 equals 2, right? So it's 18 minus 2 equals to 16. So this is our answer.